Hi beautiful souls. Today we are going to discuss about teen stress and its management. Teenage is a transformation stage or a transition period. Transition from childhood to adulthood. It is normal to go through stress during this period. We all went through this and we should help our children to deal with this. When they were kids, their world is all about their home and school. But as they reach the adolescence, the world will expand to their outer reality. In this new world, they will be equally excited and confused. So it is natural to have stress. Let us see what are the reasons for the teen stress and how to manage it. First reason would be changes in the physical body. In this time, both girls and boys undergo lots of changes in the body. There will be confusion in whether the changes are normal or not, and this will create stress. Parents should see this matter seriously and should help them to clear the doubts. If possible, see a physician and clear all their doubts. They should know their body, what all changes we can expect and what to do if it happens. These things both boys and girls should know in details. Another stress source for teenagers is academic performance. Which course to study, coaching classes, extracurricular activities, after all these things, homework assignments. These are all sources of the stress. Most of the teens do not have a clear picture of what they want to do in their life. In that way, you need to ask yourself that if I have all the power to choose, what do I see myself doing 15 years from now? Think about it. Also, parents should ask themselves, do I really know what my child's dream or goal is? Find about it. According to our society's norm, most successful jobs are doctors, engineers, lawyers, or civil service. So we focus on those courses. In reality, if the job we prefer to do gives us happiness, then that is called a successful job. If you really enjoy your profession, then you are successful. So select the courses that will lead to a job that you would enjoy, and that will reduce your stress. If your child thinks that he or she wants to become a singer or a dancer or something like that, ask them to complete the basic education and support them with their training that will help them to achieve their dreams. Education is a way to achieve our goals. So marks are not important, but our children are important. Parents should understand this and make your child understand that they are very important to you. There are lots of choices in our life. In the same way, we have choices in courses and professions. So nothing is there to worry. Nowadays, teen stress does have a connection with social media. Like us, teenagers also indulge in social media almost all the time. Adolescents are always sensitive to social comparison. So when they visit others' Instagram posts and see their edited filtered photos, they tend to compare their body, skin and face with them and feel inferior to them. They feel bad about themselves for not having that kind of skin and body. This inferiority complex will make them feel stressed. As a parent, you should never compare your teenage children to another one. It will make them feel terrible and not important. Every human being in this world is important. Even a grass has an important job to do in this universe. So your value is not depend on your skin, pimple, hair or your exam marks. You are much more than that. Do you believe that you are significant in this world? Yes, we are significant. We are here for a purpose. So don't lose your heart over an edited, filtered photo. Focus, aim high, and work for it. Another reason for stress is that adolescent children feel that the parents or adults do not understand them and their problems. At home, your child should be very comfortable to reach you and share his or her worries or experiences. Please don't judge them and scold them when they try to open their hearts to you. Whatever problem is there, let them know that you will be there to understand them and support them. Another reason is relationship. In this age, relationships will be established with the people outside of home. This will lead to new friends, new life experiences, physical attraction, romance, love, sexual orientation, heartbreak, etc. They will encounter with good and evil, good friends and the people who are there to cheat. These things will help them to grow as an adult with all good and bad experiences. As a parent, you should be able to guide them to differentiate between good and bad. We can't be there every time to handle the situation. So give training so that they can handle it. If the child gets emotional support from the parents, then they will not lose their direction. Keep reminding them that they are very important to you. If the parent seems to be stressed out, then the children will also be stressed out. So don't give them your stress, but give them your stress management strategies. Teens should increase their emotional intelligence. That is much needed for a successful life. You need to understand what would be your feelings or emotions in different situations. When you see a good football or cricket match, you will feel excited. When you see good food, you will feel hungry. Same like that. When you see an attractive person, you will feel attracted. You will want them to spend some time with you. But then the other person also has feelings and decisions. If they reject you, you will feel heartbroken and you will feel rejected and hurt. It is quite normal. Accept those feelings, accept that hurt. It is all natural. Take it as an experience that will help you in future. Talk to your friends. That pain will go with time. This is a part of life, not the end. Take time to understand who you are. What do you like? What is your belief system? Get in touch with the inner you. Make a healthy identity. That should be the important adolescent's task. Parents should not try to slap the identity of your choice on your children. That will make them to develop negative identity. A certain amount of stress is good. To do a task, you need to have right amount of stress that will help you to face all the future challenges. Parents, let the children face the small challenges now. Just watch and guide a little. If you are overprotective, then they will not be able to do it. Sleep, exercise, nutrition, everything should be taken care of. That will reduce the stress naturally. Children always connect with family and friends. This warm connection will help you to reduce the stress. Practice mindful meditation. Connect to the inner you. Love yourself, accept yourself, and believe in yourself. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment. Also, subscribe to my channel. See you soon with another video. Take care and bye for now.